Hi boys and girls, today we're going to read a book called Seagull Is Clever. And this book is a level E, okay? Now before we get ready to read, let's think about our reading strategies again. Look at the picture, think about the story. Does it make sense? Does it look right? And then try it again, all right? Okay, so now we're ready to read. So let me tell you what this book is about. Seagull is clever. Does anybody know what clever means? Clever means smart. So I wonder how Seagull is smart. Think about that as I show you this book. This is Seagull. And he is very hungry. I wonder what he likes to eat. Look where he's looking. He's flying over. There's waves, and the waves are too big. He likes to eat fish. So he has to go somewhere else to find food. Where is Seagull going? He's coming all the way over here. Do you see what he's looking at? That's called a shellfish. And inside the shellfish is something he can eat. So the shell is nice and hard and there's a fish inside. So Seagull has an idea. He goes up and up and up. And he has the shellfish with him. And he drops it. And look what happens to the shellfish whenever he drops it. The shell is broken. And look what he's eating. He is a clever bird. That shows us how he was smart. Okay, now I'm going to show you each page and you're going to read it by yourself. Thanks for joining us. See you later.